In a world that only spins faster, a resilient supply chain is key, and to Schaeffler, it is essential to keep the automotive industry moving.
We had a lot of late deliveries, or sometimes even early, so not really a good resilient supply chain that we could count on. But in automotive, parts really need to be there at that time when they need it. Otherwise, you shut down the customer, which is never good and also associated with additional cost. Inventory can always buffer any inefficiencies and so on, but that's not what our goal is. Most times when it comes then to air freight, if we get a bigger delay, definitely more efficient to go by sea freight and be on time to really eliminate the variation in transportation time. We don't need to monitor and worry about our goods in transit. Since we have Prism, for example, we haven't had air freight to Brazil, which we had before frequently, which really smoothed our whole supply chain out to have that fixed date. We can reduce our inventory depending on that, and we are faster to the customer, and more important, we can count on that time and can actually schedule the containers in weeks in advance. So also from our side, it's less work. So when we have delays, otherwise, always initial crisis, we have to work on it, see where our product is, see what we can do, try everything possible to get the material to us. It's so far a unique product.